Imagine asking AI to complete an entire project instead of just answering one question. You type a single goal and within a minute it researches the topic, organizes the information, builds a presentation and even creates a website. That's exactly why AI agents are becoming one of the biggest technology trends of 2026. They are not just smarter chatbots, they are designed to take action and help you finish real work with much less effort. In this video, I will introduce you to 5 agents that are genuinely useful. Starting with the one that feels like having an entire digital team working alongside you. That AI agent is Kimi, and it's one of the most impressive AI assistants available today. Instead of handling only one request at a time, Kimi can break a large project into smaller steps and work through each one logically. Imagine you are launching a new business. Rather than asking AI to write only a business plan, you can ask Kimi to research your market, identify competitors, organize the information, create a presentation, and even help build a simple website all from a single goal. It feels less like chatting with an AI and more like working with a capable assistant that understands the bigger picture. Another reason Kimi stands out is its ability to work with large amount of information without easily losing context. That makes it especially useful for students, content creators, freelancers, and business owners who regularly deal with long documents or detailed research. Instead of constantly telling it what to do next, you simply define the objective and let it move the project forward. And if you think that's impressive, the next AI agent goes one step further by working almost like it has its own computer. That AI agent is Manus, and it's one of the closest examples of AI acting like a real digital assistant. Instead of only giving suggestions, Manus can plan tasks, gather information, compare different options, and continue working towards your goal with very little supervision. For example, imagine you are shopping for a new laptop. Instead of opening countless tabs yourself, you can ask Manus to compare different models, check current prices, highlight the advantages and disadvantages of each option, and organize everything into a clear report. In just a short time, you receive a well-structured summary that could save you hours of research. Now, if privacy is your biggest concern, the next AI agent is definitely worth knowing about. Proton Lumo is designed for people who want AI assistant without giving away more personal information than necessary. Whether you are writing emails, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas, or researching information, Proton Lumo focuses on providing a more privacy-conscious AI experience while still helping you stay productive. It's a great choice for anyone who values both convenience and data protection. If a large part of your day is spent searching the internet, the next AI agent could become one of your favorite productivity tools. Ginspark Super Agent is designed to do much than return a list of search results. It gathers information from multiple sources, organizes it into structured reports, and can even help you create presentations, travel plans, or detailed comparison tables. Imagine preparing for a meeting or working on a college project. Instead of spending hours jumping between websites, Genspark can organize the information into something that's much easier to understand and use. It turns long research sessions into a task that can often be completed in just a few minutes. The final AI agent on this list is Proxy. Think of it as a digital assistant that connects with different apps and helps you automate repetitive tasks across your daily workflow. Whether it's organizing routine work, managing repeated action, or reducing the small jobs that slowly consume your time, Proxy is built to help you focus on more important work instead. But with 5 powerful AI agents to choose from, which one actually deserves your attention? Let's break it down. After seeing what each AI agent can do, choosing the right one really depends on the kind of work you do every day. If you need an all-around assistant for complex projects, Kimi is an excellent place to start. If you want an AI that can independently work through tasks and deliver organized results with minimal supervision, Manus is one of the strongest options available. For anyone who values privacy while using AI, Proton Lumo offers a more security-focused experience. If research takes up a lot of your time, Ginspark Super Agent can dramatically speed up the process by collecting and organizing information for you. And if you are looking to automate repetitive digital tasks across different apps and services, Proxy is definitely worth exploring. The exciting part is that AI is no longer just helping us to find information, it's starting to help us complete a real work. Learning how to use these tools today could give you a real advantage as AI becomes a bigger part of everyday life. Before we finish, there is one important tip every beginner should remember. As you have seen, AI agents are becoming much more than simple chatbots. They can help you research faster, organize complex projects, automate repetitive tasks, and save valuable time when used the right way. The most important thing is to choose the AI agent that fits your workflow and always review the results before relying on them completely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Every week, I share practical AI tools, technology tips, and productivity tutorials to help you stay ahead without spending hours testing everything yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.